iPage is one of the widely popular web hosts that's used by over 1 million websites all around the world. iPage is specialized in offering shared hosting plans at a very affordable rate. They also offer a range of bonuses and freebies on sign-up, and their service is backed with 24/7 online support. In this video, I am going to do the full review of iPage web hosting, and also if you're planning to make any web hosting purchase, consider using the links in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. Now let's talk about some important features of iPage hosting. All iPage plans offer tools to configure your hosting, which includes cPanel service. It is a good option for the creation of your sites, where it includes templates that you do not have to program. Likewise, it allows you to host your page in a quick and easy way, accessing also the settings with great ease. In the same way, you can configure through WordPress, Joomla, and PrestaShop. By hiring the iPage service, it offers you additionally the domain service free of charge for a whole year for new customers. When you contract an iPage, it offers you a service for hosting mail for personalized email addresses. So you can include your company domain name. With this, your project will transmit confidence to your clients. The basic plan you only have to register as the service is free. This is a very tempting offer as other providers offer high-cost plans. In addition, it also offers you the option to customize the plan depending on your characteristics. The Webmail Service offered by iPage also offers you excellent security. This is due to the sensitive information that is somehow going in and out of your emails, such as your personal data and bank accounts. iPage offers you a quite cheap WordPress-specific plan. It is one of the best applications on the market if you want to host your website with SSD. It also has several extra applications that can be very helpful for the creativity of your project. Among them, Joomla and Drupal offer a drag-and-drop site creator. So this one makes it easier for you to use. The storage capacity is directly determined according to the plan you hire. These can range from 5 GB for a simple WordPress plan to 128 GB, which is good storage space for a simple website. It should be noted that the disks they use are SSD. This guarantees a much higher speed of service. This is a feature that many other providers do not have and is very important for the creation of a website. With iPage, you have complete control to manage your domain without restrictions and totally free. You only need to have the existing requirements for this provider, but that will depend on the extension you have. iPage plans offer free SSL certificates. However, it has a specific service with more features that can be very useful. Similarly, the cost of the service may be a little cheap. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of iPage. iPage offers cheap and low-cost plans in the hosting industry for newbies, personal blogs, and small business owners. iPage offers huge tools to build a website easily and to grow their business online. iPage provides a simple one-click WordPress install feature to install WordPress and ready your website within 30 minutes. You can host unlimited domains. iPage is providing 24/7 telephone, email, and online chat support for their customers. You can set up a free online store and shopping cart to sell stuff online free of cost. 99.9% uptime guarantee. And 30 days money-back guarantee. Now let's talk about iPage customer support. iPage gives you access to 24/7 customer support so you can ask questions or get any web hosting related help you need. They also offer you a live chat customer support assistance feature to chat with them anytime you want. You can also talk to them as it also offers you 24/7 phone support. You can also contact them through online form submission, or you can simply go through their knowledge base for frequently asked questions around the web hosting, emails, billing, and so on. Now let's talk about iPage pricing and plans. iPage Go plan starting price is only $1.99 per month, so you only have to pay $71.64 for the 36 months plan. Also, check out the link of iPage in the description below this video to get a discount. Their 12 monthly plan price is $2.99 per month. Their 24 monthly plan price is also $2.49 per month. And the 36 monthly plan price is only $1.99 per month. The renewal price of their 12-month plan is $9.99 per month, the renewal price of their 24-month plan is $8.99 per month, and the renewal price of their 36-month plan is $7.99 per month. So if you plan to buy iPage web hosting, then it is better to purchase it for the long term, like 36 months. With this iPage plan you will get free domain for 1 year, unmetered email addresses and webmail, free 24/7 US-based customer support, user-generated backups, daily server backups, website builder along with thousands of free templates, free shared SSL certificate, unlimited domains and subdomains, unlimited disk space and storage, unmetered data bandwidth, and unmetered MySQL databases. Now let's talk about the speed and performance of iPage web hosting. The servers of this provider offer excellent quality, which is why the loading speed is very good. Also, since it is an international provider, you can select a server located wherever you want to optimize the speed. iPage uses state-of-art technology in its data centers that house the fastest possible servers. iPage uses a pool of redundant servers and not just a single backup server. So this leads to faster load times and almost zero service disruptions. Their systems are closely monitored by an expert technical team, so if any snag ever arises, it is immediately detected and actioned upon. All this means quality, reliable service for their customers. iPage is undoubtedly one of the cheapest web hosts used by over 1 million websites around the world. It also offers you WordPress hosting, which is highly recommended if you're going to launch a WordPress website. If you are a beginner and looking for a good and cheap way to get started online, iPage is definitely a good choice. The sign-up process is very easy. You just need to fill in your personal and payment details, choose a domain name, and you are done. iPage control panel is very intuitive and easy to use. If you might get stuck, their knowledge base is full of useful articles, which will help you to learn their platform quicker. So, iPage is indeed beginner-friendly. If you're planning to make a web hosting purchase, consider using the link below and get yourself a discount if one's available. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the latest reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.